Welcome back. Today we're going to make a wonderful Branzino Pita sandwich. Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. Click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for all my latest recipes. So I have 2 branzinos here and 4 fillets, and we're going to make a panko crusted coating. No eggs involved. We're just strictly going to use olive oil as a binder. We have some wonderful pita here, some Boston lettuce, some parsley. We're going to add some chopped parsley to the panko mixture and just some parsley sprigs that we're going to add to the sandwich. And we're going to tie that all together with a pimento puree that we're going to make from jarred pimentos, which are sweet and mild red peppers that are often found in a brine or vinegar. Now add all the brining liquid. At first I was just going to add it along with the pimentos, but then I quickly realized that I needed all of the brining liquid in order to get the right consistency for the sauce. Half a yellow onion. Just going to slice it. Okay, I'm gonna head over here. Now on medium-low heat, add some extra virgin olive oil. Onions are going in. Now cook the onions for about 8 to 10 minutes until soft and translucent. So I'm gonna take some parsley, do 2 tablespoons, and take some sprigs, and we'll use that as a garnish when we assemble the sandwich. If you don't want a parsley sprig, you can always just chop the parsley. So chop up the extra parsley, add 2 tablespoons of parsley to the panko. Okay, take the branzino fillets. Now you could do this one of 2 ways. You can pat the fish down dry, but if you have a sharp knife, this is an easy way to just remove the excess moisture from the branzino skin. Now I'm going to season the fish with some sweet paprika, just a touch, and some celery salt. If you don't have celery salt, you can't find it, just use some kosher salt. And season the other side. Since we season in layers, we're also going to season the breadcrumbs because there's no flavor to that, just parsley. Add 1/2 tablespoon of that and a touch of the celery salt. Toss this together, about 1/2 cup at a time. We're going to add the olive oil, make an olive oil bath, and also forgot some cornstarch. If you don't like the skin of the fish, you can always have your fishmonger remove it. I personally like the skin. Let me know your thoughts about crispy skin on a fish or no skin on the fish. Love to hear that. Take 1 fillet, soak both sides in the extra virgin olive oil. Okay, then it's going to go in the breading. As an optional ingredient, you can add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in there, like a teaspoon of that. It's not really going to sit or mix well with the oil, but you still get some flavor in there. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per pan. Let that warm up. Okay, I'm going to add a few slices of ginger, natural digestive, so it's going to coat the olive oil and coat your stomach. Fish is going in. Now we're waiting for the skin to get crispy. You can see the sides of the fish are starting to turn opaque. Means it's starting to cook on one side. We could mostly cook this on the skin side, so once that opaque line comes to here, then we're going to flip it over, because it really doesn't take long to cook a branzino fillet. It's actually faster to cook fillets than a whole branzino in the oven, which could take anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes depending on how big the branzino is. At this point here, I'm going to add a few sprigs of sage. Just let that infuse into the oil. ready to be flipped after 5 minutes, and then the other side gets finished for about 3 minutes. Cooked. All right, pull the branzino fillets off. It's cooked. Pull this last one off. Done. I'll save the other one for after we're done filming. Okay? Now bring the fillets over here. Crispy skin, you can hear that. Super moist, super tender. Alright, take some lettuce, and I'm just gonna make one. Take one pita, some lettuce, make some onions, and the fish fillet. Fit about 3 pieces. Got, and I'm gonna add some of the sauce. Take that pimento puree. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, in my description box are all the information about the different ingredients and seasonings that I did use for this recipe. And speaking of recipes, I have 2 other recipes. One is a beef and potato casserole. The pimento puree from this actually came from that video, which actually uses a red pepper puree. And my second video is a portobello mushroom sandwich. Very juicy, with some sweet potato fries that are easy to bake, and a wonderful sauce that starts from the marinade. As always, stay tuned for the next episode and take care.